Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check body vitamin levels. First, pay attention to your body's signals. Are you feeling unusually tired or experiencing skin changes? These could be subtle hints. Next, schedule a visit with your doctor. They can provide expert advice and help you understand potential causes. Finally, be ready to discuss your daily diet and overall lifestyle habits with them. Your doctor is key to accurately checking your vitamin levels. They can order targeted blood tests to measure specific nutrients. For example, common tests often check for vitamin D, vitamin B12, and iron levels. These lab results provide clear data, helping to pinpoint any significant deficiencies you might have. This professional insight is crucial for developing an effective plan. Beyond professional tests, you might consider reputable at-home vitamin testing kits. These kits typically involve collecting a small blood or saliva sample, which you then mail to a lab. While convenient, always discuss results with your doctor. Remember, a balanced diet rich in whole foods is also a powerful way to naturally boost and maintain healthy vitamin levels over time. Maintaining optimal vitamin levels is an ongoing process. Always follow your doctor's specific recommendations for any necessary supplements. Continue to prioritize a balanced diet, ensuring you consume plenty of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins daily. Small, consistent efforts make a big difference for your long-term health. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.